Hey, what is up, you guys, and welcome back to my channel. Or if you're new here, yes, you right there, then welcome to my channel, Lynn. So you guys, today I'm bringing you guys back another video. You guys read it from the title. So today I'm basically going to be doing like an organizing my closet. So before I hop into this video, if you aren't already subscribed to my channel, please make sure to hit the subscribe button. Make sure to give this video a big thumbs up, and also make sure to comment down below. So without further ado, if you would like to continue on watching, then continue on watching into this video. So you guys, like I said, I'm going to be basically decluttering slash organizing my closet. I guess that's decluttering in a way. So I thought it would be a good idea to bring you guys along with me, because I'm the type of person, I love watching like decluttering slash organizing slash just unpacking videos. So I'm not like fully loving how certain things look and are, like my closet for instance. I want to like switch out the hangers and reorganize it. I want to throw a lot of clothes out. Well, I'm gonna get a lot of clothes that I don't wear anymore, and I do want to donate them, as well as switching out the hangers. I'm gonna be putting all wood hangers in, just because I feel like that's like a different cute vibe. So that's what I'm gonna be doing right now. So I'm so excited. So I cannot wait, besties. So you guys, a quick little interruption. I just want to take the time and thank my friends over at Fafa Grass for sponsoring today's video. If you're sitting there asking like, Chris, what is Fafa Grass? Then I'm gonna tell you. Fafa Grass is basically an indoor plant. So you guys, Fafa Grass is basically an indoor plant, which as you can see right here, they sent me over one to try. I cannot freaking wait to try it out, because if you know me, you know I love plants clearly. So I'm so excited to try out this indoor smart garden plant. So as you can see, I'm gonna be doing a quick unboxing with you guys, so you guys could see everything that's gonna be coming in your plants. First, right off the back, it does come with an instruction manual, and it tells you how to set it on up and shows you all of the components, which I honestly love, because sometimes when you get a new product, you don't know what to expect or how to expect it to make. It gives you a lot of general information. The actual plant product indoor is right here. I love the color of it right off the back. It matches my kitchen because my cabinets are white. This is it right here. We're gonna lift this on up, and oh my gosh, you guys, it looks so freaking cute. I cannot wait. And as you can see, it goes really high, so you can grow your plants really freaking high. There are some more things inside that you're going to need, such as the plant food. This is very convenient because it shows you all the ingredients, and it shows you how much measurements and how long to be feeding it. It also comes with a charging light, because you're gonna want it to be powered. It also comes with some filters. So their product grows faster than your normal average plants. Also, the water pump does increase the oxygen content of the water, and it is also reusable, you guys. Like, who does not like plants and having that natural oxygen going throughout your house? And you can literally grow anything. Have it in the kitchen. Grow some nice garden tomatoes, jalapenos if you're spicy like me. All you guys have to do is click the link down below, and you can purchase yours today. Once again, thank you so much, Fafa Garden, for sponsoring today's video. So you guys, this is actually my closet right here. Oh my gosh, do not judge me. It is literally a messy right now. So I'm going to be basically organizing slash decluttering it. I have a lot of clothes that I do not want anymore. Okay, Ace, you'll get your camera time. What? Anyways, so yeah, I just need to declutter a lot of this stuff, because yeah, it's just not the business. And then Gabriel's closet's actually right there, which I'm not going to be touching, because he does not want wood hangers and stuff in his closet. Isn't as bad as mine. So like, because I have way more freaking things than he does, so I was like, you know what, it needs to not be like that. Also in our guest room, I did go ahead already and put some wood hangers up. So this is actually how it looks. I have this rack right here for whenever guests come, they can like hang their stuff, even though I'm using it because I have so many jackets and coats. So I was like, I'm gonna put them in here. So I have the box of hangers. So yeah, I'm gonna, you know, try to see what I can do with my closet, because yeah, I just want something new. I love change. I don't know why, I'm like, I get used to things really fast and I'm like, I want something new. Okay, you guys, so I'm kind of almost done, but as you could see, I'm kind of color coordinating as I go. But yeah, I still have all these left. These are all the hangers. That's the pile I'm gonna be giving away, and then all this is like the sweats, my pants, all my shorts, all that stuff. Okay guys, so I am actually done. I'm taking the clothes slash shoes and stuff that I don't want out right now. I just vacuumed really quick and that's that. But before I actually show you the closet, I'm gonna actually show you guys the guest room, because I did tell you I was hanging stuff on here too. So I'm like, oh my gosh, because it looks so freaking cute. So this is how it ended up looking. I think it looks so freaking cute. I have some shoes down there, and then right here I just have like a bag, some cute shirts, well this thing, because I feel like in here I'm just gonna have like coats and then stuff like, you know, I need to take a photo in or wear, like this that I just got. I threw this here because, you know, I do need to still take a photo in that, because I wore it for my birthday and never took a photo. But I think it looks so freaking cute, you guys. I have another little bag, some overalls, just, you know, stuff that I didn't want to put in my closet because it would make it look, you know, messy. And then over here we do have all those hangers as well, and then some more jackets and coats, which I freaking love. But I think this looks so freaking cute, and it adds like, you know, some spice to the room. I need to move it over a little bit so it's more even. So now we're gonna make our way into my closet. As you can see, I have all my clothes. I did color coordinate it like I said I was going to do. We have the grays, the whites, the blacks. You could tell I like black. A little bit of brown, a little bit of burgundy, red, pink, and then the blues. And then the colors in the back are ones that, you know, I don't have like a lot of color of. Then right here I have, so what I did was basically put all the sweats on this side right here that are sets. And then right here are just all the shorts. Here are my pants slash dress up pants. And then here are like some pajamas and then just sweats in general. But right here, these are like the set sweats. And then up there I did just leave those slippers. It's all empty up there. Then we have the Louis V box with the bag inside, the Gucci belt, and then some glasses, and then this cute little bag. This is not a designer bag, but I thought that just looks so cute right there. It adds like, you know, little spice. And then yeah, so I love it because I could just open it on up and everything. There's like nothing on the floor. Before I had like shoes and stuff. I do eventually want to get like some different type of hangers where I could hang on here and put like, you know, the shorts and the pants and all that, but just these didn't have like the hooking for it. But I really freaking like it, you guys. Also, I have like a little air wick right here because, you know, you need your closet smelling good. But that's it, you guys. I'm actually really excited, and I'm like, because I've been wanting to clean out my closet, because I feel like it's good to clean out your closet, because you're gonna have stuff in there that you really don't need and wear. I'm the type of person like, oh my gosh, I'm like, oh, I'll wear it one day or I'll fit in it again. Like, no, just throw it out, and that way you can get new clothes, especially since summer's coming up. I don't know if you guys noticed, but I'm really like this. Like when winter's coming up, I'll throw away a lot of clothes and stuff and get new winter clothes, and then when it's summer, I'm throwing away like summer clothes and stuff because I'm like, I need to get new summer clothes. And since your boy been, you know, getting thicker in the legs and the thighs and all that, so I need to, you know, get different sizes and better stuff. I have a lot of stuff in there, I'm sure you guys seen too, that's brand new that I have not worn yet, so I'm like, oh my gosh, I need to hurry up and wear it. So yeah, but I hope you guys really enjoyed today's video of me organizing and, you know, cleaning up my closet, decluttering. I feel like it's so relaxing. Today is 2/22, so I was like, you know what, let me bring in today with positive vibes and all my affirmations and everything. So that's why I was like, you know what, let me declutter my closet, because I'm in my closet every day and in my guest room a lot. So yeah, I was like, you know what, let me just make it cute and stuff, so it motivates me to like get cute and take photos for my Instagram and all that. So yeah, that being said, I hope you guys really enjoyed today's video of me decluttering my closets and rearranging my guest room closet that I have in there. So that being said, remember, always stay classy, never trashy, and just a little nasty. Chris Weeside loves you. Bye.